Photography is a business. If you are serious about earning an income from your photography, get in the mindset now that photography is a business. You are starting and opening a business. There is so much more to consider than taking photographs. You must take great photos that other people will want to buy or license. There is a lot of hard work involved. There are also many roles that you may not have thought of that you will have to play, or many tasks you'll need to do. For the moment, I'm going to run through a list of jobs you will have as a freelance photographer. In a later lesson, I'll explain these jobs in more detail. Are you ready? Okay. Well, first you'll need to be the photographer. Someone needs to take the photos, right? And you'll have to be a creative director. Who's going to set up the great scenes of the photos you're going to take? Someone needs to be in charge, so that means that you need to be the boss. And you'll need someone to answer emails, answer telephone calls, so you're also the secretary and the scheduler. And who's going to keep track of all of the money that you make. So you're also an accountant. Unfortunately, not all photos are perfect, so you'll need to be the photo retoucher. And you'll have to choose the best of your photos to show other people. So you're a photo editor. And you'll need an online presence, so now you are a website designer. And people need to know who you are, and they need to know about your photography, so you're also a marketer. If you decide to create products of your photos, you'll need to be a product developer. And then you need to design the product, so you're a product designer. And in today's world, social media seems to be important, so you are also a social media guru. And above all else, and maybe more importantly, you have to be motivated to do everything, so you're also a motivator. Now, this list may seem daunting, but please don't be discouraged. You simply now know there is more to being a photographer than owning a cool camera and taking great photos. Photography is a business, and you'll need to play many, many roles in order to succeed.